Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, the channel where we explore the most reliable, innovative, and everyday must-have tech and appliances. Today, we're looking at one of the most trusted names in home cleaning, the Shark Navigator Lift-Away Upright Vacuum Cleaner, model NV356E. If you've been searching for a vacuum that's lightweight yet powerful, designed for both carpets and hard floors, and built to handle pet hair with ease, then this might just be the perfect fit for your home. Let's dive in. First off, the lift-away functionality is what makes this Shark vacuum stand out. With just a press of a button, you can detach the canister and easily clean stairs, upholstery, and those hard-to-reach corners without dragging the entire vacuum around. This is a huge plus for people living in multi-level homes or anyone who struggles with maneuvering heavy equipment. The HEPA filter system combined with Shark's Anti-Allergen Complete Seal Technology traps over 99.9% of dust and allergens, which is a lifesaver for households with allergy sufferers or pets. You don't just clean what you see, you're actually improving your indoor air quality with every pass. Now, let's talk performance. The swivel steering design makes navigating around furniture effortless, giving you full control to reach tight spaces. Whether you're transitioning from thick carpets to hard floors, the NV356E delivers consistent suction power that lifts dirt, pet hair, and debris in one go. The large capacity dust cup means fewer trips to empty, making long cleaning sessions more efficient. Accessories matter, and Shark includes a crevice tool and a dusting brush, perfect for getting into tight spaces and delicate surfaces. If you have pets, you'll especially appreciate how well this vacuum tackles stubborn fur that usually gets embedded in fabrics and rugs. Another thing worth noting is durability. The Shark Navigator series has built a reputation for being long-lasting, and this model carries that same legacy. It's a smart investment for anyone who wants a vacuum that won't quit after just a year of use. So, if you want a vacuum cleaner that balances power, convenience, and allergen control in one sleek white and silver design, the Shark Navigator Lift-Away NV356E is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Gadgetverse. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more honest product breakdowns, and check out the link in the description to grab yours today.